Hi everyone. The air travel is rebounding for passenger operations after 2.5 months of silence in the sky. Welcome to Empire Club. Welcome to another episode. I got some travel updates to share with you today related to passenger operations around the world. So if you are planning to travel within the next couple of weeks, this might be a helpful video, so be sure to stick with us till the end of the video. But first, subscribe to Empire Club for some real-time updates on the aviation industry around the world. Alright, let's start with the hot topic of United States. The mandatory face mask policy has been applied to all US carriers while on board, in and out of United States.
The domestic and international flights seems to be operating as per the schedule despite the racial tension across different parts of United States. In fact, the major airlines such as Delta and Southwest has expanded regular operations during the summer to accommodate passenger demands. The FAA has confirmed each airport and airlines must follow the most advanced disinfection protocol while maintaining the strict passenger compliance within the airport premises and on board. Also, the US carriers clear to operate their regular schedule to China after an agreement between the two countries.
The next topic is up in United Kingdom, where the mandatory 14-day self-quarantine applied to anyone who is entering to the country.
The airlines such as British and Virgin Atlantic seems to be unhappy with the orders in a time where they're picking up the passenger demands on domestic and international schedule. EasyJet has continued to operate on schedule while maintaining the demands given by the authorities, and Ryanair is planning to increase the schedule operation by 40% starting from July.
The European Union Aviation Safety Agency working close with other civil aviation authorities to get the air travel back on track under strict conditions within the Eurocontrol and beyond.
While Air France will resume 15% of its operation by the end of June, and Lufthansa will operate to 20 European destinations from Frankfurt. Swiss Air will start 41 destinations within Europe, and KLM will start 45 destinations by the end of June.
China has been controversial over the last couple of weeks, restricting foreign airlines and lift it up by restricting US airlines to enter.
However, the restrictions have been lifted for all carriers, allowing limited number of flights per week on business capitals. The epidemic is under control in China, and normal flight operations has been initiated to low-risk destinations. Top of all these ventures, China Eastern has partnered to a new airline called Sanya International Airlines, set to be launched in recent months. Coming up with Qantas and Jetstar has launched their Fly Well program, a series of well-being measures to be taken at airports and on aircrafts to ensure the passenger safety. Both airlines continued to operate domestic flights as per the schedule and increasing international routes on a phased basis, considering the risk factor at destinations. Air India has started its special operations to UK, USA, Canada and Europe to bring back the stranded passengers from 47 destinations while maintaining the domestic schedule as per the plan till 1st of July. However, as of now, no commercial operation has been planned by the authorities. While Pakistan International Airlines has partially started its domestic operations and special international flights to bring back the stranded passengers from these destinations. From the Middle East point of view, Saudi Arabian Airlines and Kuwait Airways confirmed the international operation remains suspended until further notice.
While the Middle East giants Emirates Airlines and Etihad started its new normal operations to 30 destinations and beyond, and soon to be published the new destinations in the recent days. Take a look at my previous vlog, The New Normal of UAE Airlines, to find out more about the UAE Airlines new normal.
Emirates and Etihad continue to ensure the wellness and risk-free travel experience to passengers by implementing layers of approaches to determine the health conditions of passengers. Fly Dubai has continued to operate its repatriation flights for these destinations for those who have the relevant approval from their respective embassies, while Air Arabia announced 3 repatriation flights and planning to increase more in the coming days.
Now I just want to share some quick guidelines on repat flights or commercial flights before you board in. Be sure to check your health condition for any symptoms of COVID-19 and have a travel hygiene pack with some extra masks, gloves, bottle of sanitizer and a packet of wet wipes. And the other thing is you are not allowed to hand carry any luggage into the aircraft due to hygienic reasons. So all your baggage will be checked in. And make sure you have all your documents in your hand carry luggage, which is approximately 4 to 5 kilos, not more than that. For the UAE residents who's planning to come back to UAE must hold the approval from Federal Authority for Identity and Citizenship. The address is shown down below.
The UAE residents must hold a health declaration form as shown here and the quarantine undertaking form to hand over to the health authorities on arrival.
So that's a wrap up, my dear friends. Thank you very much for watching this vlog. I hope you got some information related to the resumption of air travel. Let's see you in another episode. Subscribe to High Club and stay safe, stay strong. Till I see you again.